this Sunday morning, I will just run straight to church. You know all these years, I've been wearing shoes to church. Maybe that is why whenever I encounter problem, I know they feel the run. But this Sunday morning, I'm wearing palm to church. So I will just start running from gate straight to my church. Let me see what will hold me back. Yeah! This run. Yeah, I see what will hold me back if I run this run.
Your madness never start. This one will start now. Now market they go straight. Now from market square it go day. This man. Huh? Oh, I'm not too much.
Auntie, good morning, ma. Please, I'm looking for church gate.
Church gate?
Yes.
Church gate. Alright. There's nothing like church gate here. No, nothing like church. This is alright.
This is alright?
Yes.
In Ondo State?
Yes.
I think we are going to Lagos.
If